Choosing the right electronic contract manufacturer, or ECM, can save you time and money throughout the life of your product. Even if you don't need a board designed, there's value in picking a partner with end-to-end services. If you need circuit design, choose an ECM with an in-house design team. In addition to one-stop shopping, look for someone who will focus on getting your board ready for production, even if it takes some extra time. Otherwise, you might get a board that was easy to design, but is expensive to manufacture. If you already have a design, you can still benefit from an ECM's design expertise. That's because outside design houses sometimes create boards that are overly complex and expensive to make. There's also a chance they'll use sole source parts that were easy for them to specify but that become unavailable. Look at the size of the ECM's business as well. If a manufacturer is too big, you might not get the help you need with documentation, but there's also a risk if your business with them is providing most of their revenue. In general, smaller ECMs are more flexible and are willing to take on unusual projects. These days, almost every ECM supports surface mount technology, or SMT. That's why it's important to find out their sophistication level. Ask about board sizes, pitch, and the density or number of parts. For boards with a large number of part types, 2 SMT machines might be necessary. Larger ECMs usually have automated optical inspection, otherwise known as AOI. With AOI, it's easier to pick out problems. Advanced AOI can also check more variables, such as the volume of solder on a joint. Check out the ECM's quality system as well. What's their process for an engineering change notice? How often do they perform preventative maintenance to avoid downtime? An ECM might make jigs and fixtures, but do they validate them? Finally, find out if your company's culture aligns with theirs. If you value communication, it's always worth picking a partner who will answer your calls and take the time to explain what you need to know.